shining your light in your face right now.
Sure. I'm gonna back up over here. Where should I go to?
That's great. Just, I can't have your light on your face, okay?
I'm sorry?
Put the light down.
What law is that?
Get the light out of my face.
What law is that? What's your name, sir?
Get the light out of my face.
Okay.
Are
the
you
light-
Please don't touch
dumb?
me. I didn't do anything that deserved to be touched right now, okay?
I'm going to tell you one time, you're going to take this bike and you're going to get
Before
off.
you tell me
No.
anything, you're going to give me your name and badge number.
It's Officer Pasco, okay? And I'm
Okay.
conducting an investigation.
And I'm getting names and badge numbers.
And
Give me yours.
if you flash that light in my eyes again, that is an officer safety issue, and you're going to go to jail. You understand?
No, I don't
Yeah, because you're
understand.
hindering and delaying my investigation.
Okay, now
So
you
one
said
of
officer safety and hindering and delaying is a different thing. I'm sorry, I misunderstood. But
Okay, fantastic.
I'm not here to hinder or delay.
Thank you.
Or
Yes, you
cause
are.
any unsafe
Fantastic.
environment.
But that's what
I have no ill intent at all.
Okay,
I
fantastic.
just want to back up and let you guys do your job.
And go about your night. Very good. Thank
But
you.
I also
Thank you
need
so
names
much.
and badge numbers,
Okay,
okay?
have a good night.
And I can flash my light wherever I want.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, name and badge number, please, officer.
Right, first of all, you're not paying attention. They're doing an investigation. You
Look,
got flashing
man,
lights at
you
them.
work for me.
I
Please
don't work for
socially
you.
distance at
I
this
don't work
time.
for you.
Oh, there
All
it
right?
is. The
I don't work
script.
for you. You can
Please socially
distance over there.
Okay. And I would like your names and badge numbers, please.
Lady 17153.
Aguilar 16882.
And where should I stand?
I like how he asks and
Okay,
he doesn't
look,
listen.
man, I just need to know a specific spot, please. I'm a member of the press, and I want to record this event, and you're trying to put me back further. And this
journalist.
area isn't taped off, and with all due respect, I can shine my light where I want. I can shine my camera where I want. I'm trying to do what you guys are asking, but I
No,
need
you're
a
not.
specific location, or you guys are going to have to put up tape so that I can see
I
what...
don't need to put up tape.
Okay, are you conducting
Bingo.
an investigation? Am I being detained?
No, you can go over there.
Okay, where can I go to record this interaction?
Somewhere
Please.
That light doesn't go in their face.
I didn't put it in your face. I'm keeping it down with all due respect. All right?
Let's go to the stop sign. Are you doing business here?
Is that a lawful request?
Are you doing business here?
No.
Oh, nobody.
Okay.
If that's soliciting a trespass, that's illegal, officer. Did you know
Bingo.
that?
Ding, ding, ding. This has got all the
You guys
good
aren't
bingo
allowed to solicit
lines.
trespasses.
If we're not doing any business here,
Hey, power to the people, man.
this is private property. If you don't want to do any business here, you can go to the sidewalk.
Is it all right if I stay here and record this, man? I'm not causing no problems. I don't steal. I love people. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually engaged in a First Amendment activity right now. If you'll just make it clear where I could stand, then I'll go there. Okay.
They have made it clear very many
Officer, and
times.
before I go, your name and badge number,
You
please.
don't need it because I'm not part of this.
Yeah, clicks and views. Another bicycle frauditor, eh?
Where's Bobby? God dang it.
Wow, that was only a couple minutes long, and it already won a bingo. Sovereign Citizen Script. Shit, that was so short I could post that to Twitter. Oh, here we go, huffing and puffing on the bicycle. You know that the reason why they ride the bicycles is because they can't afford cars. But they're gonna retire, though, you know. At least that's what Tom Ziever says. He's gonna retire and go on vacation. Oh, that's smart.
Get the light out of my face now.
What an idiot.
Get the light out of my face now.
I'm not even shining this light in your face. You're shining yours in mine.
So if you want to record, I don't care, but you're not going to put that damn light in my face. Shut the light off. I can do the same thing, man.
What's your name?
My name's Officer Folion.
Folion? What's your badge number?
I might stop and shine a light in my face.
You give me the badge number right now.
It's 9800. You can have my badge number all day long. Put that light in my face again, you're going to go to jail for obstructing.
I'm not obstructing nothing. Go about your job.
It's your one and only
Go
duty.
about your job. You ain't gonna do nothing.
Face again, you're going to jail.
Really?
Yes, call my bluff. It's all on body camera. Call my bluff. Put that light in my face.
Is your body camera on right now?
It sure is. Put that light in my face again, you're going to jail.
Did he ask you to open the door? That's illegal search and seizure.
Oh my God, shut up. This is definitely obstruction. What's he do? He shines the light in his face again, like a dumbass.
Is your investigation over? Don't touch me. Why are you tweeting like this?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
That's the third damn time you put the flashlight in my face. I told you you put the flashlight in my face again, you go to jail. Like that? Put his hand there. Take your backpack off. I told you 3 times not to put that flashlight in my face. And I'll also say
anything at all. Call your supervisor right now. You call your
Okay,
supervisor.
Karen.
I want to talk to him right now.
changing up.
I didn't obstruct anything.
You're
What
now
are
under
you
arrest, sir.
charging me with?
You're under arrest.
Obstructing.
Now you just recorded that crime.
And also we want you.
We got him for riding his bike in the roadway. I hope this video gets more views than him. He's only got 1,900 views.
Stop right there, sir.
What's your name?
I told you 4 times on camera.
You did not.
Oh, I sure did.
You did not.
I sure did. A little bit of marijuana there.
That's cannabis. What a horrible name to call God's great gift on this planet.
Marijuana.
Cannabis.
Yeah, well, you call it what you call it.
Where's my cell phone?
It's up on your butt, sir.
Okay?
Oh, yeah, that's you. Okay, yeah. What's your call time?
That's not my cell
It's
phone.
on 732.
Can I please speak to the supervisor on duty?
Okay, Karen.
Leg is right here.
Karen would like to speak to the supervisor.
Come up onto your knee and stand up, okay?
Okay?
1, 2, 3. Self down, please. Can you stand up?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. I thought you stopped there.
I wonder, my man. I don't care about you sitting there recording me.
I didn't obstruct your duty.
You're not going to shove a flashlight in my face.
I didn't obstruct your duty, sir.
You sure did.
By shining
No,
a-
you weren't
hold
even
on.
investigating anything. I'm out here. I'm a free person with a free item. That's my property. I can do what I want with it.
You are not going to shine a flashlight into my face while I'm on a car stop. And I can't see past your flash. I don't know if you're pulling a gun on me or what. And I warned you 3 times. 3 times. You're going to jail. You'll have your day in court, my
If you're
man.
going to do the citizen observer thing, that's not an issue. But when you start shining a light up in his face, it becomes a
I
problem.
want all my property
I'm
taken
going
with
to give you
me.
all your property, man. I don't need your property.
I would like to end the recording on my phone.
It's right there on the floor.
I know.
It's
Hit stop and if I can turn it off.
that's the cell phone right there if you want to end it.
Okay.
Well, don't do that because I'm obstruction.
Well, you got what you wanted. 3 hots and a cot. It's another one of those Eric Brandt, Tom Zebra fanboys. Got all hopped up on fucking meth or something and got on his bikey and decided to go cop baiting. How stupid do you gotta be to put a flashlight in a cop's face? Not only once, but twice. Was it worth it? I mean, for 1,900 views? Was it worth it? Did you get some street cred? Did you get Tom Zebra to comment on your video? Did Eric Brandt send you a thumbs up from prison? Oh, by the way, happy fuck Eric Brandt Day. Every day is happy fuck Eric Brandt Day.
At the citizen's request, the recording